Welcome again to this channel, and on this video today I'm going to show you how you can actually change your YouTube channel. Without much ado, let's get started. So what you have to do is you must make sure you have logged into your YouTube, and then after that you begin this prompt. So you have to click on you search your channel on YouTube, search bar. For example, the name of this channel is my previous channel, that is the one I'm doing a side also. I name it Edicom Multimedia, and then by the time you search it, then what you are going to do is that you are going to hit on the search button, and here is the channel. Actually, it's a religious channel, and then what you have to do is to click on the channel. Now once you click on the channel, you are going to click on the customize channel, and it is under the customize channel you will be able to actually change the YouTube channel name. So by the time you click on customize channel, it's going to open another new tab, and then it's going to display a window, and that is where you will be able to change the name. Now you can see it here. You can see some basic information at this very place. You can see this, so you make sure you click on basic information. You can see the names there, and then you can see once you click on basic information, you will surely see the name of your channel. So make sure you actually highlight, and by the time you highlight, then you can actually put the name. Now I want to change this channel name to Christ Love Up, and then because I want to base the channel on relationship, and then you can actually do it at your own side, and then you click on save, and then you actually click on publish. So you can see that is it, and then once you do that, just click on publish, and then after you click on publish, you will see that the name will be affected on the channel. But you must make sure that every 14 days is the opportunity for you to actually change your YouTube channel name. If you love this content, please remember to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.